Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your money. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left side of your screen, we have the iRobot Roomba 692, and on the right, the Luro 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roomba 692 comes in at a modest $269, while the Luro is flexing its muscles with a hefty $599 price tag. That's almost enough to make you question your life choices, right? But hey, maybe Luro brings a little extra to the table. Or maybe it just likes to think it's all that and a bag of chips. Roomba 692 boasts a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes and an edge sweeping brush. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Meanwhile, Luro is like, hold my mop, with its 3-in-1 mode of sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. It's like the overachiever in your high school who was in every club and still got straight A's. Reviewers love the Roomba for its efficiency on hardwood floors and the ease it offers for busy pet owners. On the other hand, users of Luro are impressed by its versatile cleaning modes and effective mopping feature, making it a comprehensive cleaning solution. Roomba 692 uses adaptive navigation and dirt detect sensors. It's like having a vacuum with a sixth sense for dirt. Luro says, challenge accepted, with its PreciSense LiDAR navigation. This thing maps your house like it's preparing for a heist. Just don't be surprised if it starts asking you for the Wi-Fi password. Reviewers appreciate Roomba's ability to navigate around furniture and recognize stairs, while Luro users rave about its precise mapping and navigation capabilities. Both vacuums listen to your voice like they're your personal minions. Roomba 692 works with Google Assistant and Alexa, so you can boss it around from the couch. Luro also syncs with Alexa and Google Assistant, but it goes a step further by letting you customize everything through its app. You can set virtual walls, no-go zones, and even schedule cleanings. It's like having a tiny, obedient butler that doesn't talk back, unless it starts developing feelings. Reviewers of Roomba appreciate its simplicity and voice control, while Luro owners love the extensive customization options available through its app. Roomba 692 gives you 90 minutes of cleaning time before it needs a nap. Not bad, right? But Luro is like 50 amateur, with its 120-minute runtime. It's the marathon runner of robot vacuums. And if it runs out of juice, it goes back to its base to recharge and then resumes cleaning. It's like the Energizer Bunny on steroids. Reviewers find the Roomba's battery life sufficient for small to medium homes, while Luro's extended battery life and efficient recharge and resume feature are highly praised. Now, let's talk suction power. Roomba 692 is solid, but Luro brings an insane 4,500 pascals suction power to the table. It's like the Hulk of vacuums, capable of lifting debris and pet hair from the depths of your carpet. If Roomba is the reliable family sedan, Luro is the monster truck that crushes everything in its path. Reviewers of Roomba appreciate its good suction for everyday cleaning, while Luro users are blown away by its powerful suction, especially for homes with pets. Overall, the Roomba 692 is praised for its efficiency, ease of use, and affordability, making it a great choice for those on a budget. However, it can struggle with thicker rugs and is somewhat noisy. On the other hand, the Luro 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is lauded for its powerful suction, versatile cleaning modes, and advanced navigation, but it comes at a higher price point. Both vacuums have their strengths and cater to different needs and budgets. So which one should you buy? If you're on a budget and just need a reliable cleaner, the Roomba 692 is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and want a vacuum that does it all, sweeps, vacuums, mops, makes you coffee in the morning, okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the point, then Loro is your guy. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart and may your floors be forever clean.